How to install MIUI 11.0.3.0 stable based on Android 10 on your Redmi K20 Pro. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install MIUI 11.0.3.0 stable based on Android 10 on your Redmi K20 Pro. As you can see, I do have the Redmi K20 Pro running MIUI 11.0.1.0 stable with security patch from October 2019, and it is based on Android 10. Are we going to have any data loss? Well, we are not going to have any data loss. What are the things which we need? All the things which we need are linked in the description of the video, and these are the files which you need based on your Android version. So if you are on MIUI 11.0.1.0, in that case you're going to use the block OTA file, which is around 545.36 MB. Again, you have to use this file if and only if you are on MIUI 11.0.1.0. If you are on any other version of MIUI, then you need to use the full ROM zip file, which is around 2.38 GB, and that is the second file which you see on your screen. Next thing, we can go into the gallery application, and you will see that I do have a picture of my friend Mr. Stormtrooper over here, which will not be lost once we update. It is just to prove that there was no data loss. Next, we can go into settings, about phone, system update, and it will automatically check for update. As you can see, I do have the MIUI 11.0.3.0 update available, but updates are rolled out in batches, so it might not be available to you. If it is available to you, all you need to do is click on download update, and it will download and apply the update. If it is not, then you need to follow the steps ahead. We will click on the 11 a few times till we get a message that additional update features are on. Once we get that message, we will click on the three dot menu on the top right and select choose update package. It will open the file manager application, and now you need to navigate to the folder where you have downloaded the zip files, which are linked in the description of the video. In case you downloaded the files on your phone directly, they will be in the download folder. In my case, I transferred them manually, so they are in the root directory. As I mentioned earlier, based on your MIUI version, you would have downloaded only one zip file. So those of you who were on 11.0.1.0, you would have downloaded the block OTA file, and those of you who were on any other version of MIUI on your Redmi K20 Pro, you would have downloaded the full ROM zip file. Next thing you need to do is select the file by clicking on the circle beside the file's name. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use the full ROM zip file, because you can use the full ROM zip file irrespective of the MIUI version. So select the file, make sure you're connected to the internet, and then click on OK. And there it is. It is now telling us that our phone will automatically update to MIUI version 11.0.3.0. All you need to do is select reboot and update. If the process is going to wipe your data, it will tell you that your data will be wiped. We did not get that message, which means our data will not be wiped. And of course, it is connecting to Xiaomi's server and decrypting the file and verifying the integrity of the file. So those of you who are worried about the links in the description of the video, please note that the links are from Xiaomi's servers, and the process does verify the integrity of the zip file. So if there is anything wrong or anything corrupt in the file, it will not apply the update. Now, as you can see, our phone has rebooted, and it is now applying MIUI 11.0.3.0 update on our Redmi K20 Pro. The process will take some time, and make sure you do not reboot your device while the update is being applied. Now, once the update has applied successfully, your phone will reboot back into MIUI. You will get a message that MIUI updated successfully. You can see that we still have Lord Vader's wallpaper, and if we go into the gallery application, we still have Mr. Stormtrooper, which means our data was not wiped. And now we can go into settings, about phone, all the specs, and bam, there it is. MIUI version is 11.0.3.0 stable based on Android 10. Security patch is from November 2019, but this is nothing new for Xiaomi. They are always a month behind. So there it is, peeps. That is how you install MIUI 11.0.3.0 on your Redmi K20 Pro without any data loss. And that will do it for this video. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.